This is a 95 E300 diesel, and this thing came out of a garage where it has spent its entire life. Look at this thing. The paint is absolutely incredible. Yeah, you can probably see me in the paint. There I am with the camera. Look inside this thing. Unbelievable. Took me 6 months to find this. Absolutely incredible. Look at the wood. $150,000 miles. This thing is absolutely immaculate. Everything works perfect. See if I can show you guys the engine compartment. All original. Unbelievably clean. This is the nicest E300 I've ever seen by a long shot. I guess this was like some sort of protective coating they had on there from the factory, like a lamination. I see it looks like it was on the ABS also. I haven't even cleaned this engine compartment. Imagine what this is going to look like when it's cleaned up and detailed. 150,000 miles. This car is incredible. Like I said, it took me 6 months of looking, and I finally found one. Look at the clouds. Look at the clouds in the paint. That's crazy. 1995. Let's look at the back seat here. Absolutely immaculate. Looks like no one even used this car. Look at the wood paneling. It's ridiculous. Look at the rubber grommets around the doors. Everything looks brand new. Takes me a long time to find cars like this. Lots of searching and lots of waiting patiently. But man, when they come along, it's so rewarding. Even has new tires on there. Wow, look at that. Anyway, we'll have this one posted up soon, guys. Beautiful. 1995 OM 606.910 E300D. This is the non-turbo. Amazing car. Alright guys, I just wanted to do a brief undercarriage video to show the condition of the 95 E300. We've already gone ahead and put in new Bilstein struts in the front, and you can see we got the bump stop put in up there. New bump stop and struts. The tie rods are in outstanding condition. I can't even... Hang on, let's see if I can turn it. Yeah, I can barely move it with my hand. Those things are in outstanding condition. The bushings and the control arms are in outstanding condition. Do not need to be replaced. Neither do the tie rods. Let's see. Oh, the bushings for the sway bar, outstanding condition. Don't need to be replaced. Same goes for over here on the other side of the vehicle. See, we got the new Bilstein Struts in there. What else we got? So the exhaust, check that out. That looks brand new. That's amazing. Yeah, that exhaust looks got like some very minor surface rust that started to appear there. That looks brand new. No rust. Undercarriage is amazing. The brake lines, check this out. Look at the condition of those brake lines. Even has the rubber grommets still holding the brake lines in place. Yeah, those are in fantastic condition. Push that one back in there. There we go. So here's where the goodies are. On the rear, we went ahead and replaced all of the links, the rear end links. Here's the lower arm. Here's this arm here. Then we have the upper arms up here. Replaced all of those because sometimes, you know, when the originals are still in there, the car may feel a little squirrely on the back end because these bushings can wear. So this has got all new control arms. You can see new bolts. We just ordered the complete kit and replaced them all. So it looks really good back here. We also put in new Bilstein shocks in the back. The brake lines are in outstanding condition. Here's the, go ahead and show the muffler. Got the exhaust hangers in there. They're in good condition, not cracked and worn out. You can see the new Bilstein over here. Yeah, so this is a fantastic example of a 1995 E300. It took me like about 6 months to find this car. I've been looking for a long time and finally found it in Virginia, Northern Virginia, and I think it was a few Sundays ago, and I immediately got in the truck with the trailer and drove up and got it. You really don't see them this nice ever. So yeah, this is kind of a diamond in the rough. Immaculate condition. And everything works perfect. There's not one single issue with this car. So I'll go ahead and lower it down on the lift, and we're going to actually make some photos of it today and post it online for sale.